Okay guys, this is going to be a weather video of today. It is a clear sky and it is sunny for once and not raining or anything like that. Yeah, most of the sky's clear actually. There is some clouds in the distance, a few over there as well. Yeah, very nice day today guys, which is good. What about over here? Is there any over here? Yeah, there's a few there. There's a few there as well. But quite a lot of the sky's actually very clear, which is good. Yeah. Excuse me. Usually, over here are the more bigger sort of clouds. They're not like big enough to make it like rain or nothing like that though. I don't know what the weather's going to be like tomorrow though. Guess we'll have to see what it's like tomorrow, I suppose. Yeah. So that is pretty much it for this video. I know I haven't uploaded a weather video in quite a while now, but that's going to be it for the video anyway. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. If you like the video then please comment, like and subscribe. People that have already subscribed, don't forget to comment and like if you like the video. Also feel free to put the thumbs down if you didn't like the video. And my apologies, I'll be better next time. But anyway, that's going to be it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. And as always, see you in the next video guys. Bye for now.